नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 8th के ज्योग्राफी में लेसन नंबर 2 इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। यह है लेसन नंबर 2 इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ, उसका एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया? टिक राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन द बॉक्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है देयर आर 2 लेयर्स इन द क्रस्ट। ऑप्शन इनर एंड आउटर क्रस्ट, सेकंड कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड ओशियन क्रस्ट, थर्ड सरफेस एंड ओशियन क्रस्ट, फोर्थ मेंटल एंड कोर। इसके आंसर में आएगा कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड ओशियन क्रस्ट। नाउ नेक्स्ट, सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है? विच एलिमेंट इज फाउंड इन बोथ मेंटल एंड क्रस्ट? ऑप्शन सिलिका, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, आयरन। इसका आंसर आएगा मैग्नीशियम। नाउ नेक्स्ट, थर्ड में क्या दिया गया? विच ऑफ दिस मिनरल्स आर फाउंड इन द कोर ऑफ द अर्थ? फर्स्ट आयरन मैग्नीशियम, सेकंड मैग्नीशियम निकेल, थर्ड एल्यूमिनियम आयरन, फोर्थ आयरन निकेल। द आंसर इज आयरन निकेल। नाउ नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ में क्या दिया गया? द इनर कोर इज इन विच स्टेट? गैसियस, सॉलिड स्टेट, सेमी सॉलिड स्टेट। द आंसर इज सॉलिड स्टेट। नाउ नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ में क्या दिया गया? द आउटर कोर इज मेड अप ऑफ डैश? आयरन, गोल्ड, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन। द आंसर इज आयरन। नाउ नेक्स्ट, सिक्स्थ में क्या दिया गया? द लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ on which we live? Mantle, core, crust, continental crust. The answer is continental crust. Now next, seventh में क्या दिया गया? Which seismic wave can travel through liquid medium? Primary waves, secondary waves, surface waves, oceanic wave. The answer is primary wave. Now next question करते हैं। Second question में क्या दिया गया? Tell whether right or wrong, correct the wrong statement. First, the density of various materials is not the same in the interior of the earth. The answer is correct. Now next, second, the core of the earth's interior is made up of hard rock. The answer is incorrect. Correct statement, the core of the earth's interior is made up of elements with iron and nickel. Now next, third, secondary waves cannot pass through outer core. The answer is correct. Now next, fourth, continental crust is made up of silica and magnesium. The answer is incorrect. Correct statement, continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium. Now next question करते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है? Answer the following. First, what are the two parts of the crust? What is the basis of classification? The answer is first, continental crust and the ocean crust are the two parts of the crust. Second, the crust is classified on the basis of whether it lies below the land or the ocean. Third, the part of the crust lying below the continent is known as the continental crust. Fourth, the part of the crust lying below the ocean is known as the ocean crust. Now next, second, why is the upper mantle called the asthenosphere? The answer is first, the upper layer of the mantle is in liquid state. Second, the rock in the upper 100 to 200 km of the mantle melt due to the heat and magma is created. Magma chambers are found in this layer of the earth. Third, due to the heat and pressure, the energy waves are created in mantle. These energy waves move in vertical direction and magma comes out on the surface of the earth by volcanic eruptions. Fourth, this endogenetic movement continuously occur in the upper layer of the mantle. Therefore, the upper layer of the mantle is known as the asthenosphere. Now next, third में क्या दिया गया है? Magnetosphere of the earth is a result of rotation. Explain. The answer is first, the average temperature of the outer core of the earth is around 5000 degrees Celsius. The average temperature of the inner core of the earth is around 6000 degrees Celsius. The difference between the temperature results in formation of vertical currents. Second, the rotation of the earth gives eddy or circular motion to these currents. Third, electric current develop in these spiral eddies of liquid iron leading to generation of the magnetic field of the earth. This magnetic field is called magnetosphere. In this way, the magnetosphere is formed due to the rotation of the earth. Now next question करते हैं। Question number 4 में क्या दिया गया? Draw neat diagrams, label them and explain. First, the interior of the earth. यह है इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ का डायग्राम, इसको आपको बना लेना है। नाउ नेक्स्ट, सेकंड मैग्नेटिक पोल एंड इक्वेटर। ये है हमारा मैग्नेटिक पोल एंड इक्वेटर, इसका भी आपको डायग्राम बनाना है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है, गिव जियोग्राफिकल रीजंस। फर्स्ट, there is variety in the interior of the earth. The answer is first, there is a difference between the elements, temperatures and the pressures found in the three parts of the interior of the earth, with crust, mantle and core. Second, in the interiors of the earth, the transitional areas are found between A. Continental crust or ocean crust, B. Crust and mantle, C. Upper mantle and lower mantle, D. Mantle and core, and E. Outer core and inner core. Therefore, there are discontinuities in the interior of the earth. Now next, second में क्या दिया गया, there is correlation between the density of metals and their location in the interior of the earth. The answer is first, the rocks found in the crust have predominance of the compounds of silicon, aluminum, magnesium, etc. These compounds are lighter in weight, therefore they are found in the upper layer of the interior of the earth. Second, the elements like iron, nickel are found in the core of the earth. These elements are heavier in weight. Thus, metals with low density are found in upper level in the interior of the earth, and the metals with high density are found in the lower level in the interior of the earth. Thus, there is correlation between the density of metals and their location in the interior of the earth. Now next, third, mantle is the center of earthquake and volcanic eruptions. The answer is first, the rock in the upper 100 to 200 km of the mantle melt due to the heat and the magma is created. Second, magma chambers are found in this layer of the earth. Third, due to heat and pressure, the energy waves are created in mantle. These energy waves move in vertical direction and magma comes out on the surface of the earth by volcanic eruptions. Thus, mantle is the center of earthquake and volcanic eruptions. Now next, fourth, the thickness of the crust below the continents is less as compared to oceans. The answer is first, the density of the crust below the continents is 2.65 to 2.90 gram per centimeter cube. The density of the crust below the oceans is 2.90 to 3.3 gram per centimeter cube. Second, as the density of the crust below the continent is comparatively low, it keeps floating on the mantle. It does not subduct into mantle. As its effect, the thickness of the crust below the continent is found to be high. Third, as the density of the crust below the ocean is comparatively high, it subducts into mantle, leading to its low thickness. Thus, the thickness of the crust below the continent is more as compared to oceans. Now next, fifth, Earth is protected because of the magnetosphere. The answer is first, the ozone layer protects the Earth from ultraviolet radiation. Second, the Earth's magnetosphere serves to deflect most of the solar wind whose charged particles would otherwise strip away the ozone layer. In this way, the Earth is protected because of the magnetosphere. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 2 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।